This vehicle is the VW Caddy Maxi Camp 2, and at 51,000 euros, this is possibly the cheapest vehicle at Caravan Salon. That's accepting those in the car park. We can find this rather odd seat in here, which will go in two directions. That must be to make a bed out of. In here we have got a sink, storage, table and a fridge, and I dare say you could also get a toilet of sorts in the bottom down there in the storage. This vehicle itself is, as a base version, you can get for under 40,000 euros. It's also possibly the smallest camper as such, Camp 2, and even comes with this tent in the roof. So dare say you can even get 4 people in there. Well, that's if they don't mind sleeping on top of each other. Nonetheless, it is a rather unusual and comes in a particularly nice colour. This one here is from Reimo, who have the catalogue, which is where you get all your camping things from. And I say all, yeah, just about all of them. I think that's fair enough. Including this Waco fridge, which I shall attempt to demonstrate. So what it looks like when there isn't the camping stuff in, well, to be quite honest, I don't think one needs to know that, because I don't think you'll be travelling with 4 people in that. Well, it's curious to see, and for those who want something to have a general knock around in, to go to work, to go shopping, and maybe to visit one's grandparents or whatever, then this is the sort of thing to do it in. This could be for you if you want something that you can also sleep in. So it's a car you can sleep in with a bit of a kitchen, but at that price I'm not going to knock it too much, so I'm not going to insult it by calling it names, as I sometimes do with things like this that are not self-contained. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting. That was a very quick video, done in under 3 minutes.